And in front of me is Realme GT Neo 3, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer and then switch to contacts. Pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to and then select edit. Now click on add photo and you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me choose a photo and then pick the app from which you want to pick it. And now you can smoothly customize it as only you wish. For example, like this, then tap on confirmation mark, click on save. And that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to your contact, and anytime this number is calling you, you'll be able to see this profile picture at first. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.